CAT papers because they are the actual papers. The difficulty is 10% plus minus over the board. If you see all the 3 slots in VARC, it was not that the third slot was unsolvable and the first slot was very easy. People normally say first slot is very easy and third slot is very difficult. That's not the case. You look at the 3 papers and you will see it's not the case. It's all in the mind. So yeah, the third slot person is more pressurized than the morning slot person, because the morning slot person just goes and gives the exam. The third slot person has already got reviews of the first and the second slot. So they have the whole day to think about it. So they are more in pressure. And that is why they sometimes perform badly. So don't worry about that. So if you are good in VARC, then please attempt a score of 45 plus. If you can get 50 plus, then you can easily make up in the other sections. Even if you don't perform so well in the other sections, if you get a score of 100 plus, you are getting your overall 99. And in VARC, if you're getting a score of 45 plus, you will get a 99 plus easily in any kind of paper. If it's an easy paper or if it's a difficult paper. And if it's a difficult paper, the normalization happens. So your scaled score that you will get, overall, the difficulty level will be managed. And the final score will be like that only. So not to worry.